Yes, indeedy. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. This is the official E92 POV, because I know in my last video I was saying, you know, we were going to do a POV in the E92, but we couldn't because the radiator hose went. And I'll let you guys know, you know, I'll show you guys what happened, why and how the radiator. I'll show you guys how the radiator went bad. The radiator hose went bad. So that if you guys are going through like the same thing, or if you have a method of, you know, securing it a different way, I have, there's something I've been thinking about that I want to implement, but you know, I'll show you guys. You can hear all the turbo whooshing noises, the blow-off valve, everything is just working perfectly. Chill out here. Turn all this DTC. So I'm gonna do a quick stop so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Hopefully shit just doesn't start smoking, all right? Hopefully nothing starts smoking. You know, we have a bit of a bigger problem. But as you can see, like right there, right? You can see the belt touching Let me just turn this off and see if it's doing any damage to the car. But you can see right here how this is like getting kind of puffy, and that's hot from just coolant. But it's really, I hope it's not doing it right now, because it rubbing against it is just gonna get really hot, and I don't want hot coolant splashing in my face, so I'm gonna leave that alone. But that's the issue. At first I thought it was, oh man, it's snowing. At first I thought it was, I know I gotta put this back. I'm not the only one who is like this, right? I just like it to be nice and well put together. But yeah, that part just messed up, and we're gonna deal with it. But if you guys, you know, have that same issue, just tell me how I can go about it. Or I have another idea. I'm just going to see if I can push the radiator back some more, and then hopefully that will stop it from doing what it's doing. But that's what went down. So we're gonna fix that up, get under here, fix some other stuff up. Let's just take a step back. Look at this, man, with the wheels and everything. I still gotta lower the back some, but that right there is that's a thumbnail. That is a thumbnail. It's perfect. It's perfect. Plus, see what I was talking about with the fog lights? That's clean, but I'm gonna clear those out. That's gonna be super clean. I gotta replace, I know this is black, my washer thing just broke, and that one, I have to replace that one too. It's a very finicky type of deal, but I don't know. I think the fog lights are okay. I might not even bother to change them. I might leave the fog lights the way they are. That's a thumbnail right there, guys. All right, so I was just so you guys know that a little bit of bulge on the ends of the radiator hose, that's normal. So you see that bulge on the opposite ends of where it connects to the oil filter housing gasket, oil filter housing, I keep saying this. It connects to like the oil filter housing and the radiator. There should be a slight bit of a bulge over there, so it's not something to worry about. I just need to stop it from touching that alternator, the Serpentine double. I keep smelling coolant, and one of the things is I have to keep in mind that coolant spilled like everywhere. I did run some water over it. All right, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I know the car isn't leaking coolant, but you know, that constant smell of coolant is messing with me. So I'm just gonna, we already opened the engine bay. I know it's not leaking, but you know, a lot of that coolant is just burning off, and you know, it's just making me uneasy, and I don't want to get stranded in the snow. So that's about it, guys. If you like what you see, give your boy a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. You know we're gonna be back next week. Get out of here.